The Indian Army orchestrated a dynamic women empowerment and career counseling workshop in Baramulla, Jammu and Kashmir. The workshop's primary aim was to enlighten young girls about an array of career options and provide comprehensive guidance across diverse fields. An integral part of the workshop was a session shedding light on government schemes and initiatives tailored for the betterment of families, particularly focusing on women. A robust participation of 160 young girls underscored the community's active involvement and enthusiasm for the workshop.